Hey everyone, welcome to my new series, Plate of the Game, where I'm going to be exploring the background and lore of Overwatch characters and create dishes inspired by them. So today's episode is all about Winston, the super intelligent, genetically engineered gorilla.
Winston spent his childhood on Horizon Lunar Colony, a space station on the moon and arguably the worst map to play on. You don't have to look hard to find cues of what Winston likes to eat. There are banana trees everywhere, and there's even a hidden compartment where Winston kept his secret stash. Aside from bananas, Winston has a voice line, spray, and emote that show his love for peanut butter. So with all that in mind, I decided to make Winston a banana cream pie with a peanut butter drizzle. Let's start by making the filling. Into a saucepan, combine 3/4 cup of sugar, a 1/3 cup of flour, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add 2 cups of milk while whisking gently. You want to make sure that there are no flour lumps. Then heat up the mixture while continuing to whisk until it has thickened into a creamy consistency. This might take 15 to 20 minutes, but you really do not want to cut that short. If you do, you're going to be left with soup pie. Stir a spoonful of your hot filling into a bowl with 3 egg yolks. Give it a couple whisks and return the whole mixture to your pot. Be sure to keep stirring the entire time that you're doing this. Then add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and keep stirring until your filling is nice and thick. While your filling is cooling down, take a frozen pie shell and start layering sliced bananas on the bottom and sides, making sure to cover as much as you can. Add your pie filling to the pie shell and bake in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. While it's baking, let's make a quick peanut butter drizzle. In a small saucepan, combine 1/3 of a cup of boiling water, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and 1 whole cup of peanut butter. Whisk the whole thing together until it's thoroughly combined. When the pie is cooled for at least an hour, start loading on as much whipped cream as you think Winston would want. Finish the pie off with some more banana, and don't forget that peanut butter drizzle. I pretended to be a monkey when I decorated this pie, which is the only reason why it looks wood tier. But hey, it tastes amazing, and I'm sure if Winston was around, he'd say the same.
Thanks so much for tuning in. If you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button or else hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.